आज हम बनाएंगे pancakes. So for this we will need 1 egg, now we will put refined flour 1 bowl. Now we will put sugar half bowl, 1 tablespoon baking soda, half cup milk, now mix it well till it gets melt. When we mix, no lumps would left. No lumps, it should be melt, not very thin or not very thick, at medium. I am making it on chapati tawa. You can also make it on non-stick pan or in simple pan. I am making it on roti tawa. We will put butter, now we will add our mixture. Wow, it's looking so delicious. You can garnish it with honey or butter. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please try this recipe.